In this video, I'm going to cover how to install VirtualBox on your Windows PC. To install VirtualBox, navigate to your browser. On the search bar, type in VirtualBox. And from the very first search content that appear, which is from virtualbox.org, go ahead and click on it. And now we are on the home page of VirtualBox. Okay, this is from Oracle. Go ahead and click on download. And now we are navigated to the window where we will select our host. So go ahead and click on Windows host, and then your download should begin. Now, depending on your connectivity, this should take a few seconds, and then your download is complete. You can go ahead and click on the downloaded file, and then wait to start the installation process. So instead of installing Linux directly on your computer and potentially changing your existing operating system, we will create a virtual computer inside your current computer and install Linux there. This will give us a safe environment where we can learn and practice Linux commands, install softwares, and experiment with configurations, and even make mistakes without affecting our main operating system. Okay, so that is the installation process. We'll go ahead and click next again. And now right here, a warning, network disconnection is likely. But go ahead and click on yes. And go ahead and click on yes once more. And from right here, our custom setup, we'll leave everything as it is and click yes. And now we are ready to install. And so we will go ahead and click on install. Okay. So wait for the installation process to complete. This will take a few minutes, so you just have to be patient. Okay, now our installation is complete, and we'll go ahead and click on finish. Now, once the installation is complete, you will see a shortcut on your desktop because this was selected. And this is the very first window that will appear showing you VirtualBox. Okay, you can also access it on the Windows icon. That's your Windows home page. You will have VirtualBox. Okay, and there's also a shortcut there you can go ahead and open, or if you want to uninstall it. Okay, but we will explore this interface later and install Ubuntu or CentOS and continue practicing using Linux. So I'll see you on that other side of the video. Thank you for watching.